Welcome to a channel where you are not only going to learn how to speak in Xitsonga, but you are also going to learn how to read and write the language. This is part 2 on how to count in Xitsonga, just like I promised. I am going to continue from number 11. However, I'm not going to do all the numbers. You will just follow the pattern. Please refer to part 1 on how to count from 1 to 10. On previous lesson, we said number 10 is kume. To proceed to number 11, then you will start by saying kume followed by the last digit on the number, which makes number 11 kumengwe. Number 12 will be kumembiri. Then you will follow that pattern until number 19. 20 is makumembiri in Xitsonga, which makes 30 to be makume naru, 40 to be makume mune. You will follow that pattern until number 90. 21 is makume mbiri nwe, which makes 22 to be makume mbiri mbiri. You will follow that pattern until number 29. 100 is dzana. Gidi is 1000.